Hey guys, welcome back to our review on fossil fuels part 2. So last time we spoke, we were discussing how fossil fuels are formed. But I've noticed throughout my years teaching that a lot of people have a hard time really making a connection between fossil fuels and their everyday actions. So a lot of the times we give the example of, well, a lot of the electricity you use is a result of burning fossil fuels, but that sometimes just glides right off people, goes in one ear and out the other. They really still can't make the connection. So I thought, what better way to help you make that connection than through the use of the laptop that you have right in front of you for hybrid learning, right? So we're going to kind of open that curtain to the world behind the laptop and explore how the energy, the electrical energy to power your laptop was generated. Okay, so we're kind of working reverse here. So let's do a little energy recap. So energy is the ability to do work, right? So energy transfer takes place when energy moves from one place to another. Energy can move from one object to another, like when the energy from your moving foot is transferred to a soccer ball, or energy can change from one form to another. When energy in a battery is used to power an electronic device, chemical energy is transformed into electrical energy, which moves along a wire. 3 more ways energy can be transferred are through light, sound, and heat. All right, so now we're going to watch a video from Generation Genius, which I love, which breaks down how generators work and explains it in a very simple manner. I hope you enjoy.
I get it. We're going to use a bike power generator.
Right, the bike will produce electricity, and then
We can transfer the energy to charge birds.
abracadabra. When someone pedals the bike, this wheel spins, and that converts motion energy to electrical energy in this generator. We can then transfer energy to Bert through these wires. Bert will then store energy in his internal batteries to use later. So we're going to generate our own energy? I want one of these. Generators don't actually generate energy. They just change energy from one form to another. Or in this case, they convert motion energy to electrical energy.
All right, guys, so are you ready for a little checking for understanding? Let's see if you get this. Pedaling a bike is an example of which energy form? Electrical, mechanical, thermal, or sound? Select an answer, and when you're ready to review your response, press play. All right, the moment of truth. Pedaling a bike is actually an example of mechanical energy. So if you put down mechanical, you are a star. If not, fix your mistake and you've learned. All right, let me challenge you guys a little bit more. I think you guys can handle it. You're doing really good so far. Energy that flows through wires is referred to as which energy form? Light, mechanical, electrical, or thermal? All right, guys, go ahead and select an answer. And when you're ready to review, press play. The moment of truth. If you guys selected electrical, you are absolutely correct. Great job, guys. All right, guys, now we're going to go ahead and make that connection between our bike example and how electrical energy is generated for our homes. Enjoy the video.
This is the same way we use electricity at home. When you plug something in, that's energy transfer too. On the other side of the wall are 2 wires. The wires run from inside of your house into the ground or along telephone poles until they connect to a power plant. Most power plants work like Dr. Jeff's mom pedaling a bike. Something spins a wheel and makes electrical energy, which is transferred through the wires into your house. Power plants convert energy to electricity in different ways. They burn things like coal, which spins a generator, or a wind turbine, which also spins a generator, or even
So the reality here is, like you saw in the video, what spins the generator for most of us is fossil fuels, right? So the burning of these fossil fuels spin this generator, which transforms mechanical energy into electrical energy that flows through the wires and to our homes to power our laptop. Now let's see a little model that can show that a little bit more clearly to you and layer onto your learnings. So now let's do a little checking for understanding. As the wheel spins in a power plant, right? Mechanical energy is transformed into what type of energy? Thermal, electrical, radiant, or sound? Go ahead, select a response, and then press play for a review. If you selected electrical, you are absolutely correct. All right, let me tease your brains a little bit more. Here's another checking for understanding. This type of energy travels through blank to their destination, such as your home. It travels through air, water, or wires. Select an answer and then press play for a review. All right, let's go ahead and review that. So the answer for this question is wires. That's how it gets to your home. All right, so let's do one more checking for understanding. The main job of a generator is to generate energy, change energy from one form to another, create energy, or destroy energy. Select your response and press play for a review. All right, it's review time. The main job of a generator is to change energy from one form to another. That is the answer. Can be generate energy, create or destroy, because energy is not created or destroyed according to the law of energy conservation. It just changes from one form to another, and that's what generators are here to do. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes to how you get that electrical energy to power your computer to your home. And I hope you now see the connection between how that wheel in the power plant is turned by the burning of fossil fuels, and that's how you get that electricity to make it all the way to your home to power your appliances. So next time when you're home, think twice about having the lights on for a little too long, or leaving your computer charged for a little too long, or charging your iPhone or whatever phone you have for a little too long, because that all requires electrical energy. And the behind the scenes of that is the burning of fossil fuels, so that that mechanical energy could be transformed into electrical energy. Have a great day, and I hope this helps you with your activities for this lesson. Feel free to replay as often as needed, and good luck, guys. Take care.